on, look. See? Yeah. Yeah. My point is, like, I'm trying to, like, treat the cat like the dog's getting treated. She was just sleeping on earlier. Yeah. She's going for her kitty food now. This is Miss Puss, everybody. Say hello, Miss Puss. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, she knows her name. Yeah. Sorry. Bit of a mess, but that was a buddy treat for earlier. Anyway. We'll clean that up later. Cats and dogs got bones and foods. Good stuff. Yeah. 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 Never seen one of these on YouTube before, huh? No embarrassed, huh? I bet you're more hungry than you are embarrassed. One of my babies. There's the other one chewing on his bone. Oh, my coffee cup. Sorry. Didn't mean to get that in there much. You guys be well.